see what we got in there.
There's no documents in there. That's just in the press, isn't it? No, it is a document. It's alright, that's me again.
Very good.
That's it. Put that over
Look at
there.
that, exciting. It says Hasegawa on there, hobby kits.
Yeah.
This could be amazing. Let's see. Bubble wraps. Wow, okay. Blimey. Husky. Brilliant.
These are the new.
Very good.
These are new.
Yeah, by Panda Models. Yeah, Husky. Mark 3 BMMD with GPRS. Whatever that means. Wow. And this is another good one. Brilliant. Another Japanese kit. This Saka. Oh, no, Mikasa. Oh, what's that one? M8 armoured American gun system. Was it, sorry, an armoured gun system. Carry on, yeah. What else have we got there? Marder. Wow. Brilliant. What's that one? Aichi, some Japanese carrier dive bomber. Wow. Fw190D-9. Excellent. Nakajima B5N2 Type 97 carrier attack bomber. Very nice. Let's have a look in there. Whoa. Some other good ones there.
Are they all right?
Yeah, that's fine. So what we got there? We got a couple of, look like they're like Zeke or Nakajima Key 43 late versions. Yeah. An A6M5C by Hasegawa. Texan by Kitty Hawk. Brilliant. Huey by Kitty Hawk. Very good. UH1D Huey. One of those. Yeah. Skyrocket. Looks like a Subaru. I'm going to fall over if we're not careful.
Yeah.
Alright, got them?
Yeah,
they're alright. They're stable now. Lotus 79, 1978 German GP detail up version by Hasegawa, excellent. The Yamaha YZR 500. Wow, look at that. You got a Gundam in there as well. Is that a Gundam or is that something else? That's like a robot, some kind of robot thing. Brilliant. So that's by Hasegawa VFOS Gerwalk with Ghost Macro Zero, so it's one that turns into kind of a fighter plane by the looks of it.
Right.
Let's have a look at those. Very nice, yeah. So it turns into a nice kind of a mecha or a robot that turns into some sort of fighter plane by the looks of it. I'm not familiar with those. I know what Gundam are, but yeah. I know that from time to time Hasegawa kind of do that kind of kit. Quite a few we've got here then, so that's brilliant. Very nice. We got that one. Got the Marder, got the M8 AGS, we've got the Imperial Japanese Navy Battleship Mikasa, and we've got the Husky Mark 3. Need delivery. Just open the box. Right, look at that. Very nice. So carrier attack bomber, late model 3. Kate model 3. I'm trying to read things through the camera. Wow, look at that. It's very nice. Brilliant. Brand new. Focke-Wulf Fw190D-9, 1/32 scale. It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at the artwork. Amazing. And that is very good as well. That's quite unusual, isn't it? That looks like some sort of Pearl Harbor kind of era dive bomber. An Aichi D3A1 Type 99 carrier dive bomber, a Val, Model 11. Again, very nice box. Yeah, look at that. Excuse me. Look at that. Amazing. Really nice markings on that. Very good. So guys, so what we got there? Got the Marder. Try and get the reflection off that as much as I can. Who's that then? What are they called? Zim.
IJN Models.
Okay. So this is 1/35th scale. Marder 1 by the looks of it. Let's see if I can get the reflection off that for a minute. Look at that. And who are they again? Sorry. Very good. This is by Panda. So this is a 1/35th scale M8 armoured gun system. Get the reflection off that for you. Whoa, it's pretty big, this one. Can't hold that with one hand, it's so big. Hold on, let me just move that to one side a minute. Excuse me. Okay. There we go. Looks great. So that's the Imperial Japanese Navy Battleship Mikasa. The Battle of the Japan Sea, a 1/350th scale kit by Hasegawa. Very nice. This one, very good. Look at that, Husky. Again by Panda Models. Panda. 1/35th scale, yeah. Husky Mark III. VMMD with GPRS. Oh, right, so vehicle mounted mine detector. Right, okay, that's what that means. Got profiles on the side there. Very good. Yamaha YZR 500 1988 WGP 500 champion. Got that Lotus 79 1978 German Grand Prix detail up version. Again, limited edition that one, only. Got another limited edition one of this one as well, the Subara Impreza Memorial Bataga 1993. I don't know much about cars and racing cars, but look great. What's this one? Atlantis D558-2 Skyrocket. Huey, UH1D by Kitty Hawk, very nice.
Cash or cards, we'll see.
There we go. This one. Texan T6 by Kitty Hawk. It's got a shark mouth on that. It's actually got weapons on there as well. Okay. Those look like kind of one of those kind of French markings.
Okay.
Quite a few markings there.
Brilliant, thanks for that, mate. Thank you. Bye.
1/32nd scale, very good. Spanish, I think that is Spanish markings, maybe. Not sure. No, it's French. It's got to be French, isn't it? Red, white, and blue. Oh, this one. There we go. Look at that. Amazing. Zeke A6 M5C0 fighter Zeke. And then this one, wow, Nakajima Key 43 -2 late version. What's it say there? Oscar, right, and then it's 25th Flight Regiment, number 01. Fantastic. Well, straight out of the box. Breaking news, eh?